Parabola construction method 2. Let's proceed with the rectangle method to construct the parabola, having a base of 115 mm and an axis of 75 mm. First, draw the base AB and the axis CD with the specified lengths, ensuring they intersect at right angles and that CD bisects AB. Next, use these base and axis to construct a rectangle ABEF, where the width and height correspond to the base and axis respectively. Now, divide FD into equal parts, for example, 4, and mark the points accordingly, as shown. Then, using the same division length, mark corresponding points along ED. Similarly, divide FA into the same number of equal parts and mark the points accordingly, as shown. Then, using the same division length, mark corresponding points along EB. After that, from point D, draw connecting lines to the marked points along the vertical sides of the rectangle. Then, from marked points along the horizontal sides, draw vertical lines to intersect the previously drawn lines. Finally, connect all the intersection points with a smooth, continuous curve to complete the required parabola. The rectangle method is particularly effective for visualizing how the parabolic curve is generated by combining divisions and intersecting lines. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.